Are you dreaming of starting a new life in Australia, but not sure which jobs are actually in demand in 2025?
What if I told you that your skills might be the key to unlocking permanent residency and you don't even need an agent to apply? In this video, I'll reveal the top high-demand fields in Australia right now and walk you step by step through how to apply, increase your chances, and avoid common mistakes. Whether you're a nurse, an IT expert, a tradesperson, or even just starting your career, this guide is made for you. Stay with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly where the real job opportunities are and how to grab them.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Your Name, and on this channel, we talk about Australia immigration, skilled jobs, and the latest visa updates. Today's video is super important, especially if you're planning to move to Australia. We'll be talking about the job fields that are most in demand in 2025 and how you can apply for them, step by step. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because I'll also share some powerful tips that can seriously increase your chances of getting a job. And if you like helpful content like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your question or profession in the comments below. Today's video is all about Australia jobs in 2025. We'll look at which job fields are most in demand and exactly how you can apply. If you're thinking about moving to Australia or finding work there, this is the video you don't want to miss. So make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share some pro tips that can help increase your chances of getting a job offer. First things first, let's understand why Australia is such an attractive destination for skilled workers. Australia has a strong economy, high quality of life, and a multicultural society. On top of that, the country is facing skill shortages in various sectors. To fill those gaps, the Australian government welcomes skilled migrants through different visa pathways, especially under the Skilled Migration Program. Now, let's dive straight into the fields that are expected to be in high demand in 2025. Number 1 is healthcare. This sector has been consistently in demand over the years and will continue to grow. Nurses, aged care workers, general practitioners, and medical specialists are highly sought after. Due to the aging population and increased healthcare needs, Australia is constantly looking for professionals in this field. If you're a registered nurse or a doctor with qualifications recognized in Australia, your chances of getting a job and a visa are significantly higher. Number 2 is information technology. The tech industry in Australia is booming. Roles like software developers, cybersecurity specialists, data analysts, cloud engineers, and AI experts are all in high demand. Companies are not only looking for technical skills, but also experience with real-world projects. If you have certifications like AWS, Microsoft Azure, or any programming background, that's a big plus. The good news is many IT professionals can get sponsored by employers or even qualify for direct permanent residency through skilled independent visas. Number 3 is construction and infrastructure. With major government investment in infrastructure projects across cities like Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Perth, skilled trades are needed more than ever. Occupations like civil engineers, electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and surveyors are on the skilled occupation list. If you have experience in this industry, Australia needs you. Number 4 is education. Teachers, especially in subjects like mathematics, science, and special education, are in demand in regional and even urban areas. Early childhood educators are also on the shortage list. If you have a background in teaching and meet the qualification requirements set by Australian teaching boards, you could be eligible to migrate. Number 5 is engineering. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, civil engineers, and mining engineers are still among the high-demand occupations. These roles support infrastructure development, mining, and renewable energy projects. Experience plus accredited qualifications are usually required. Number 6 is agriculture and farming. With the vast size of rural Australia, the agriculture industry always needs workers, especially in roles like farm managers, machinery operators, and livestock workers.
This is especially relevant for regional migration programs like the 491 visa, which encourages people to live and work in regional areas. Number 7 is hospitality and tourism. While this sector was hit during the pandemic, it's making a strong comeback. Chefs, cooks, bakers, and restaurant managers are again in demand, especially in regional towns and tourist destinations. If you have formal training or experience in hospitality, there are strong chances to find opportunities here. Number 8 is logistics and transport. Due to the rise of e-commerce and ongoing trade, roles such as truck drivers, warehouse managers, forklift operators, and supply chain specialists are increasingly important. Some of these jobs may not require a university degree, but do require Australian certifications and licenses. Now that we've covered the high-demand fields, let's talk about how you can apply for these jobs in Australia. First, check if your occupation is on the Skilled Occupation List. This list is published by the Australian government and is updated regularly. It includes various roles across different sectors and tells you which visa types you may be eligible for. Second, you'll need to get your skills assessed. Each profession has an assessing authority. For example, if you are an engineer, Engineers Australia will assess your qualifications. If you are a nurse, it's the Australian Nursing and Midwifery Accreditation Council. Having a positive skills assessment is one of the most important steps in the process. Third, you'll need to take an English language test. IELTS, PTE Academic, and TOEFL are commonly accepted. Your required score depends on the visa type and the occupation. Higher scores can also increase your points for the points-based migration system. Next, create an expression of interest through Skill Select. This is an online system where you register your interest in applying for a skilled visa. You'll need to enter your personal details, qualifications, work experience, English score, and other information. Based on this, you'll be given a point score. You need at least 65 points to be eligible, but higher points give you a better chance of receiving an invitation. Points are rewarded for age, education, work experience, English level, partner skills, and more. Once you receive an invitation, you can apply for a visa. Popular skilled visas include Subclass 189, Skilled Independent, Subclass 190, State Nominated, and Subclass 491, Regional Skilled Visa. Each visa has different conditions, such as location restrictions, nomination requirements, and pathways to permanent residency. Now, let's talk about finding a job. Applying for jobs in Australia is similar to other countries, but with some differences. Here are some tips to help you succeed. Update your resume to Australian standards. Keep it simple, clear, and professional. Avoid long paragraphs and include key achievements in bullet points. Make sure to tailor your resume for each job application. Write a strong cover letter. This should be personalized to the job you are applying for. Highlight your skills, experience, and why you are a good fit for the role. Use Australian job websites like Seek, Indeed Australia, Job Active, and LinkedIn. Many employers post jobs on these platforms, and you can also set up alerts for specific roles. Networking is also very important. Join Australian professional groups on LinkedIn, attend virtual industry events, and connect with people already working in your target field. Many job opportunities come through referrals. Consider applying for jobs in regional areas. Not only are the competition levels lower, but the chances of getting employer sponsorship or regional nomination are also higher. If you're currently overseas and don't have Australian work rights, look for companies that are willing to sponsor skilled workers. Keywords to search include visa sponsorship or sponsorship available. For some roles, you may need to obtain Australian licenses or registrations. For example, electricians need to be licensed in the state they work in. Same goes for teachers, healthcare workers, and tradespeople. If you are already in Australia on a temporary visa like a student visa or working holiday visa, you have the advantage of being physically available for interviews and trials. This can significantly improve your chances of landing a job. Now let's talk about some pro tips. Tip number 1, start your research early. Don't wait until the last minute. Check the latest occupation lists, migration news, and visa updates. Things change quickly in immigration policies, so staying informed is key. Tip number 2, invest in certification if needed. Sometimes spending money on an Australian qualification or certification can open doors that wouldn't be available otherwise. Tip number 3, be flexible with location and job titles. Sometimes your dream job may not be available in the major cities, but could be found in regional areas. Similarly, be open to starting at a slightly lower level and then working your way up. Tip number 4, practice for interviews. Australian employers appreciate direct communication, cultural awareness, and problem-solving skills. Practice common questions and prepare examples from your experience using the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. Tip number 5, never give up. The process can be long and sometimes frustrating, but consistency is what leads to results. Many successful migrants applied dozens of times before they landed their first job. To summarize, the top job fields in demand in Australia for 2025 include healthcare, IT, construction, education, engineering, agriculture, hospitality, and logistics. The key to success is having the right qualifications, strong English skills, a tailored resume, and being proactive in your job search. Australia is still one of the best destinations for skilled workers, and with the right strategy, you can turn your dream into reality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking to move to Australia. Also, comment below with your profession, and I'll let you know if it's currently in demand in Australia or not. Thank you for watching the video. I hope now you have a clear idea about which jobs are in demand in Australia for 2025 and how to start your application process the right way. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and leave your feedback or questions in the comment section below. I try to respond to as many comments as possible, especially if you share your profession. I'll let you know whether it's currently in demand or not. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep working toward your Australian dream and take care.